motherfuckers that make disrespectful music, because if we being real, the whole entire, like, the men population of music is like, get them bitches and get that, come give me that head, then you gotta leave. You can't never spend the night. We don't like these. But then it's like, my brother, I love my brother, and my gang. But then the girls, when they come to us, they like, fuck that bitch. If she ain't got no titties, I don't want her. Like, damn. So now, cool. Y'all want to play like that? I hope your barber push your shit back.
God damn.
I hope you get about the car and then your phone crack. I hope you on the way to Coochie and you blow a tire. Why not? Now they like, oh my God. It's like, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's how society is. Like, now if I was around here like, I love the men and everything is good and I love them and all the men so nice and I love them, they're going to be like, yeah, that little hoe going. That little hoe love, but no, you got to disrespect them. Men are the most illogical beings on earth. When you treat them bad, they want more. They're like deer hunters or something.